फील्ड ऑफ व्यू मतलब क्या बेटा, किसी की आइडिया है? जैसा अगर हम लोग कोई फोटो खींचते हैं कैमरा से या मे भी अपने मोबाइल से, तो अगर मान के चलो 10-15 लोग हैं, एक ही पिक में आना है, तो आप अपना कैमरा का जो पोजीशन है फ्रॉम द डिस्टेंस, आप वो एडजस्ट करोगे कि नहीं करोगे? सामने पीछे जाओगे कि नहीं जाओगे टू टेक द कंप्लीट पिक्चर, ठीक है नहीं?
Yes, sir.
इजंट इट? तो मान के चलो मेरे पास यहाँ पर कहीं पर, यहाँ पर देखो, यहाँ पर मेरे पास मान के चलो एक कैमरा है, ठीक है? दिस वन इज योर कैमरा। इसका फील्ड ऑफ व्यू कितना होगा बेटा, यानी कितनी दूर तक मैं इसका रेंज ले सकता हूँ? मान के चलो इसका लेंस यहाँ तक है, तो ये यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक इस तरह से। तो ये पूरे रीजन में जितने भी ऑब्जेक्ट्स रहेंगे मैं इसकी फोटो खींच सकता हूँ। इस रीजन को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? फील्ड ऑफ व्यू बोलते हैं। इस रीजन को हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? फील्ड ऑफ व्यू। यानी जो भी ऑब्जेक्ट चाहे यहाँ पर ठहरा हो, या इफ द ऑब्जेक्ट इज समवेयर हियर, or of the object is somewhere in between, anywhere in these two extremes, we can take the picture of that body. It is called as of what? Field of view. I hope you got an idea. What do you mean by field of view? Okay, like say for example, this is say for example our mirror. This is say for example our mirror, and say for example an object is kept in front of this one. And say for example object is at a certain distance x, is a perpendicular here right now. Now see, when a ray of light is being drawn from that one, you know that one ray of light is being taken at upper extreme, the another ray of diagram is being taken at the lower extreme. So from this one, this ray will be reflected back like this, and this one is also reflected back in this direction. Okay, this is your object. If I extend this object's reflected ray in the backward direction, somewhere here and somewhere here, you know that its image is formed somewhere here. So this will be your image formation. So if I'm taking this red light, which is being reflected right now, this total region is called as of what? Like say, if I, this is an object, this is an image. So if the object is present between any of these two regions, this total region is known as of your what? Field of view. This is known as of what? Field of view. That means if I'm standing somewhere here, I can see the image. If I'm standing somewhere here, I can see the image. If I'm standing somewhere here, I can see the image. So if I stand anywhere in between this region, I can see the image of this object. Okay. If you stand somewhere here, can you see the object better? Like say for example, if you are standing here right now, or if you are standing somewhere here right now, can you see this image? No. So this person and this person cannot see the image, but the person within this region can see the image part of relation. I hope you got an idea better, everyone.
Yes, sir.
Chalo, let me give you one more example. Like say for example, this is your mirror and object is somewhere here, right? This is an object. Now, how do you draw the field of view for this one? Again, same beta. You take the ray of light right now for this one. You extend this one at the lower end one region. The another ray of light should be extending in the upper end like this, isn't it? Now, the reflected ray of this one will give me what? Field of view. That means if I'm reflected, this ray of light is reflected like this. So this is your reflected ray. This reflected ray is being produced in the backward direction. So it is meeting somewhere here, right? So this is the image. This is your image particulation. That means if this is your object right now, and this is your mirror, you know that whatever is the distance of an object from the mirror, the image will also be the same distance. So this region will be called as what, beta? Field of view. This region is known as of your field of your V particulation. Is it clear, beta? Unmute हो जाओ बेटा आप लोग please.
Yes, sir.
चलो,
Yes,
क्लियर
sir.
है?
Yes,
क्लियर है
sir.
सभी को? चलो, वेरी गुड। एक छोटा सा एप्लीकेशन देख लेते हैं जल्दी से। मान के चलो right now, say for example, this is your mirror right now here, and say for example, if I'm taking right now, the mirror is somewhere here like this. Okay, and this one is say for example an object. You know that ray of light will incident on this one like this. This is your incident ray on one extreme. This is your another ray at your another extreme. From here, this ray will be reflected back like this, and from here, this ray will be reflected back like this. If I extend this reflected back in the backward direction right now, like say somewhere here right now, and if I extend this one in the somewhere here right now, this is your image formation, isn't it? And the length of this mirror is say for example of your L. Okay, and say for example, object from the mirror is at a distance of your D. This distance is say for example, object is at a distance of your D. So obviously image is also at the same distance, better, because in the plane mirror, you know that whatever is the distance of an object, image is also formed at the same distance, better. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? So if I drop here right now, this one is your perpendicular right now. This one is your perpendicular. Now if you see this one very carefully, now see here, this is your perpendicular and this is your theta. This is your angle theta. This is your what? Field of view. Field of view की angle कितना है अगर पूछा problem में. This is your total what beta? Field of view. This is known as of your FOV. So if he's asking what is the FOV's angle, that means this theta is equals to your how much? Then see, if I take the trigonometry right now, so this distance is how much beta? L. This distance will become how much beta? If I'm taking right now this part of your mirror right now here, and here is your image like this, and this is your another distance like this. This angle will become how much beta? Can anyone tell me? Total angle is theta, so this angle will become for me theta by 2. This total length is L, so this length will become for me L by 2. And this distance is how much from here to here? This distance will become for me D. Okay, from the figure I can write right now, tan theta is equals to tan theta by 2 will be equal to how much beta? L by 2 divided by T. Can I write like that? Isn't it? So that is equals to your how much for me? L by your 2D. Isn't it? That means theta by 2 will be equal to your how much beta? Tan inverse of your L by your 2D. That means theta will be equal to how much beta? 2 into your tan inverse of your L by your 2D. Can I write like this? So this is the total field of view ka angle. Theta is equals to how much? Got an idea? Got an idea?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Chalo, very good. Next
Yes,
one देख
sir.
लेते हैं और एक example. Like say for example, ये मेरे पास एक mirror है. So I hope you got a concept of your field of view पर निकालने का condition आ गया. सिर्फ similar triangles और concept लगाना, उसमें ज्यादा कुछ नहीं है. This is your object वो. This ray of light is touching this extreme right now here. This ray of light is touching this extreme somewhere here right now. And this is the perpendicular on this one. Say for example, an angle of 90 degrees. You know that this ray will be reflected back like this. And this ray is also reflected back like this. So this region is known as of your what? Field of view. This region is known as of what? Field of your view. Now say for example, if I extend this one in the backward direction, you know that image formation is somewhere here right now. Whatever is the distance, the object, that is the distance of your image. ये हो गया this का object distance. Okay. Now say for example, if I'm saying that this reflected ray यहाँ पर somewhere say for example एक road है, इस तरह से एक road है यहाँ पर. So इस road पे से मैं अपनी कार लेके यहाँ से जा रहा हूँ इस तरह से. तो जैसे मैं गया इस रीजन के अंदर आ गया तो कैन आई सी द इमेज बेटा?
Yes,
Isn't it?
sir.
Now I am outside the field of view. I can't see the image. The moment I came here right now, if I am नहीं कार मेरी यहाँ पर है या कार मेरी यहाँ पर है, isn't it? If I am in this region right now, I can see the image of this one. I can see the image of this one, isn't it? Now my question is, what is this length up to which I can see the image? यानी मैं ये रोड पे कितनी दूरी तक रह सकता हूँ so that I can see the image right now, isn't it? So मान के चलो ये distance है x. Okay. Length of the mirror है मान के चलो L. निकालना है x is equal to how much? Okay. अब ये डिस्टेंस देखो बेटा, यहाँ से यहाँ तक की ऑब्जेक्ट डिस्टेंस है d. ओके. एंड ऑब्जेक्ट से ये रोड के भी डिस्टेंस है, यहाँ से यहाँ तक का डिस्टेंस मान के चलो d. ये अपना कॉन्सेप्ट है बेसिकली. लेंथ ऑफ द मिरर इज हाउ मच बेटा? L. Object is the distance of d, and this road is also the distance of d from where? Object. So what is the value of x? X value निकालना है अपने. अब देखो, if I'm taking the similar triangle concept बेटा, now this is a complete one triangle, so I can make from similar triangle concept, from similar triangle concept I can use this one बेटा. देखो पहले तो एक triangle ले लो. So I'm taking this total triangle right now बेटा. This is your image, and this is your distance like this, and this is this distance like this, something. Okay. Now if this is making an angle theta right now here, now what will be the distance from the image beta? This one is total distance is how much from here? This is your equal to your x. So from this road to this eye, what will be the distance?
2D plus L.
2d plus why L beta? This mirror length is L, but this distance is again d only, na? Because object distance if it
3D,
is
sir.
d,
3D.
image distance will also be equal to d. So this will be equal to your 3d. isn't it? Now if I'm taking one more triangle beta, so for the mirror part affiliation, ये mirror था मेरे पास right now, and this is your right now for me image. So if it is making an angle right now here, this one is your theta, isn't it? So from the image to the mirror, this distance is how much beta? D, isn't it? And this one is how much for me, or L? So apply the similar triangle concept right now. So this will become for me x by your 3D will be equal to your, this will become for me L by D. है कि नहीं? This D will get cancelled. So x will become how much for me beta? 3 times of your L. Yani I can see the image of this one if the length of this road is up to what time? 3 times the length of the mirror. Clear है?
सर वो स्मॉल वाला डायग्राम समझ में नहीं आया।
इसका वाला बेटा, ये मिरर का ये पार्ट, दो ट्राइंगल्स है ना, देखो इसके अंदर ये एक ट्राइंगल है, फिर एक ट्राइंगल है, दो ट्राइंगल्स है ना, ये बड़ा वाला ट्राइंगल, ये छोटा वाला ट्राइंगल, सिमिलर ट्राइंगल से, तो पूरे के लिए x है, टोटल डिस्टेंस d है, फ्रॉम मिरर दिस इज योर l, एंड फ्रॉम मिरर टू दिस ऑब्जेक्ट दिस डिस्टेंस इज इक्वल्स टू d. So tan theta value लिख रहा हूँ, so tan theta value is equals to this y by your 3d, and this is l by your d. So d gets cancelled, so x will be equal to 3l. Clear?
Yes sir, got it.
Chalo, very good. I hope you remember the condition better. What is the minimum length of the mirror needed for the person to see his complete image? याद है किसी को? The minimum length of mirror. The minimum length of mirror needed is how much?
Half of its height.
Yeah, half of your height. घर में तो मिरर होगा ना, तो अगर बड़ा है छोटा है तो अपना पूरा इमेज देखने के लिए तो मिनिमम साइज ऑफ द मिरर कितनी होनी चाहिए? मान के चलो मेरे पास ये मिरर है, ये मेरा मिरर है, मैं रफली बता रहा हूँ बेसिकली। मान के चलो आप यहाँ पर कहीं पर ठहरे हो, एंड हाइट ऑफ दिस वन इज से फॉर एग्जांपल h। तो पहले तो देखो रे डायग्राम कैसा ड्रॉ करते हैं। पहले अपने पैर से रे ऑफ लाइट विल बी इंसिडेंटिंग ऑन दिस मिरर बेटा, अपने पैर को देखना है, तो पैर से रिफ्लेक्ट होके रे ऑफ लाइट मेरे आंख तक आ जाएगी, ये आ गया आंख, ठीक है ना। उसके बाद अगर मुझे मेरा हेड देखना है तो हेड से रे ऑफ लाइट ऐसा इस मिरर पे गिर के फिर ऐसा रिफ्लेक्ट होके मेरे आंख पे आ जाएगी, ऐसा ऐसा बनाएगा, जी सर। दो रेस हो रहे हैं, तो अगर मैं इसको यहाँ पर एक्सटेंड कर रहा हूँ बेसिकली तो मेरा सर यहाँ पर कहीं पर होगा। अगर मैं इस रिफ्लेक्टेड रे को अगर मैं इसको एक्सटेंड कर रहा हूँ बेसिकली, मैं अपना इमेज देख सक रहा हूँ बेसिकली, तो दिस विल बी माय लेग्स एंड दिस विल बी माय हैंड्स, व्हाट इट मीन, isn't it? So मान के चलो if I am at a distance of t from this one mirror, तो image is also at a distance of your t, and mirror length कितना यूज कर रहा हूँ, see now very carefully, using only this part of your mirror to see the image, मैं पूरा mirror यूज नहीं कर रहा, only this part of the mirror is being used। मान के चलो if this one is your x, then again from the similar triangles right now, so I can write here x by your t, तो ये पूरा एक triangle है बेटा, then पूरा एक triangle है, ठीक है ना। सो हाइट ऑफ द इमेज तो चेंज नहीं होगा, ये भी h ही हो जाएगा बेसिकली। कितने ट्राइंगल्स बन रहे हैं देखो बेटा, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक एक राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल, फिर एक बड़ा वाला एक राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल, तो दिस कैन बी रिटन एज ऑफ योर x बाय योर t विल बी इक्वल टू योर h बाय योर 2t, दोनों के बीच में की डिस्टेंस। तो ये t चले गए, तो मिनिमम लेंथ ऑफ द मिरर कितना हो, ये मिनिमम लेंथ ऑफ द मिरर मैंने x लिया, x इज इक्वल टू हाउ मच फॉर मी, h बाय 2। h बाय 2 मतलब क्या, h इज व्हाट, हाइट ऑफ द पर्सन, so length of the mirror must be equal to half of the height of the person, so I can write here length of mirror is equals to height of person, height of your person divided by 2, so that should be the size of the mirror। तो यहाँ पर क्या लिख सकता हूँ मैं आंसर, h by 2। क्लियर है सभी को? ये सिमिलर ट्राइंगल समझ में आया बेटा? तो ये देखो यहाँ से यहाँ तक एक छोटा सिमिलर ट्राइंगल है इस तरह से, तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक कितना, ये t है और ये कितना है, x है, और एक बड़ा वाला सिमिलर ट्राइंगल है इतना, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक ये वाला इतना बड़ा, तो ये कितना है, h है, और यहाँ से यहाँ तक की दूरी कितनी बनेगी बेटा, ये t और ये t, ये बन गया 2t, तो इसके लिए एंगल थीटा है, इसके लिए भी एंगल थीटा है, दो सिमिलर ट्राइंगल्स है। सो x by t is equals to h by 2t, t gets cancelled, so x is equals to your h by 2। आया सभी को?
Yes,
Is
sir.
it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Clear
sir.
है?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
चलो वेरी गुड। कितने लोग आए हैं आज?